Smart Gardening 2025: How to Grow More with Less Space, Time, and Water. In 2025, urban gardening is transforming how people grow their food. With climate change, rising food prices, and a growing interest in sustainability, more individuals are turning to compact, smart, and low-maintenance garden setups. This movement isn't just for those with large backyards. Balcony dwellers and small homeowners are joining the green wave, cultivating their own vegetables, herbs, and berries using intelligent methods that fit today's fast-paced lifestyle. The first key concept driving this shift is vertical gardening. Instead of sprawling across land, modern gardens now climb up walls and fences. Vertical planters, stackable containers, and trellises allow gardeners to grow multiple layers of plants in a single square meter. This not only saves space, but also optimizes sunlight exposure for each level. Tomatoes, beans, strawberries, and leafy greens like spinach or kale thrive in vertical setups. Plus, hanging gardens can be designed to be both aesthetic and practical, turning a plain wall into a lush, edible display. The second innovation catching attention is automated irrigation with moisture sensors. In 2025, watering your plants by hand is no longer necessary. Smart irrigation systems now use soil moisture sensors connected to a simple app on your phone. These systems monitor the dryness of your soil in real time and water the plants only when needed, saving up to 60% of water annually. Gardeners can schedule watering sessions, track water consumption, and even integrate the system with weather forecasts to avoid waste during rainy days. This setup is perfect for busy individuals. For example, marigolds repel nematodes and aphids, while basil planted near tomatoes improves flavor and deters hornworms. Calendula attracts pollinators, while garlic drives away mites and beetles. With this method, small gardens become more productive and less prone to pest outbreaks. This approach also aligns with the organic movement, giving gardeners peace of mind that their produce is safe and chemical-free. Finally, the integration of mini greenhouses and weather-adaptive covers has made year-round gardening a reality. With changing climate conditions, protective gardening solutions are essential. Pop-up greenhouses, cold frames, and floating row covers help regulate temperature, trap humidity, and shield plants from strong winds or sudden frosts. In colder regions, this extends the growing season well into the winter months, while in hotter areas, shade cloths prevent sunburn and dehydration. These modular solutions are lightweight, foldable, and can be set up on patios, rooftops, or balconies, allowing anyone to cultivate vegetables like lettuce, radishes, or even peppers year-round. In this new era, gardening is no longer about having the most land or time. It's about using innovative, compact, and intelligent solutions. Whether you're on the 10th floor of a city apartment or living in a small suburban home, 2025 offers tools and techniques that make self-grown produce accessible, sustainable, and stylish.